Hi, my name is Randy Fay. I want to show you one of my favorite features of DDEV version 1.8.0. It's interactive exec. So here we go. So I can run the MySQL command just like this and do a show tables without having had to do the DDEV SSH or anything like that. And I can even do more complicated things. Here's a MySQL with root privileges, and I can create a new database. And if I need to, I can even use redirection inside quotes so that it comes from inside the container. So there's a junk.sql inside the container. And this is going to fail because we don't have root privileges, so let's just do the same thing again with root privileges. That's it. It's really nice. You can do interactive DDEV exec with basically anything.